Do this only with 2 cups a day for 1 week and your belly will like you've always wanted. One of the greatest desires of people, especially women, always wear a flat stomach, especially in these times of vacation where there's surely a trip to the beach. They want to show off their swimsuits as it should be, showing off her toned belly and body as they wish. However, it is not very easy to get so far. Much has to have the stomach or the plane with what we got to the mouth. Abdomen power is everything, either to lose weight, to tone the belly, to feel good and fully active, etc. A good diet, coupled with a wonderful exercise routine, is to have completely healthy and fit body, that is fully guaranteed. Its stomach, especially in the belly area or lower, it is one of the most difficult places to remove fat. Everything is because the body is the place where liquids and fat in general are stored. However, in this video I want to introduce a drink made with all natural ingredients to help you lose weight, eliminate accumulated fat and liquids in your womb and help this look flat and slender. Learn how to prepare a healthy drink and enjoy a flat stomach. What you need is the following: 1 cup freshly squeezed juice of a completely organic grapefruit, 1 tablespoon pure and natural honey, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. Preparation: it's pretty simple. You have to do is put all these ingredients in a blender and mix thoroughly until a completely homogeneous left you and ready to serve juice. You should drink the result during lunch and dinner, i.e. twice a day for a week, 7 days, until you start to see your body looks better. After 7 or 8 days you can repeat the whole process again. You'll feel much better and you will also see a great time with this entirely natural drink.